On the occasion of World Environment Day, Healthy Seas has joined forces with the American College of Greece, Ghost Diving Greece, to clean up Saronida beach. We are here educating the younger generation, school children aged from 4 to 20 years old about the impact of ghost fishing phenomenon. And how Healthy Seas help solve the problem.
So today, as Ghost Diving Greece, we participated in an underwater cleanup in Saronida. We had in total around 12 volunteers from Ghost Diving Greece and Ghost Diving from Netherlands. We managed to pull out about 6 bags of trash, some tires, plastic pipes, metal bars. The volunteers are really excited to contribute. Also the divers but also those that did the beach cleanup.
The Department of Science and Mathematics has undertaken the task to educate the people on the biodiversity of the area. So we have brought microscopes and stereoscopes for observations of biodiversity, but also of microplastics that we may find on the coast.
And our aim is to educate and raise awareness to our members, the members of the ACG members, and of course the broader community, on the negative impact of the consumption of single-use plastics.
Greece, as a country, is a country that enjoys a thriving environment, but we do have, as in many parts of the world, a lot of problems around the environment, around the society, around the economy, and we want to play an active role in educating the young generation of Greeks and overseas students, Americans from other countries, to contribute as much as they can.
I feel it's quite important to protect the environment and generally whatever is left from the planet for the future generations. And as Greta Thunberg has once said, it's quite important to act like our house is on fire, because it actually is.